What's up, y'all? Yeah, y'all see my little bonnet on? I just got done putting a bunch of puff balls all over my hair. So, I haven't made a video in a couple weeks, but I got an idea for stay-at-home moms, because that's what I am. If y'all want to make some extra money, because I know I hate depending on my man to give me money, even though, I'm spoiled. But, I'd rather have my own stuff. But if y'all need some ways to make some extra money, I'm going to tell y'all what I've been doing for the past couple weeks. I've been selling stuff. Like, I have went through my whole house selling stuff, and I'm not finished. I have made, let me tell y'all my source of how I sell stuff. Facebook. Go on Facebook, baby, to the little marketplace and post the stuff that you're selling. And I promise you, well, it depends on what you're selling, but depends on what you're selling. If it's something that a lot of people buy, you'll make some money. I made, let me see, I think I made like $230 last week just selling stuff that I'm not using. And I made like $35 today selling stuff I'm not using. So some of my kids' clothes that they can't wear no more. I sold a vital monitor that we bought and only used twice. I'm gonna sell this recliner because I'm sick of looking at it. We don't use it. Sold diapers because I have a lot of people that give me diapers, but I only really like Pampers. It's not that I'm ungrateful, but a lot of different brands of diapers just break my kids out and give them a bunch of rashes. So I only use Pampers. So, like, don't get me wrong, the money that I get from selling the diapers and wipes that people have gave me, I go buy Pampers, but it's the same thing. But yeah, sell stuff. I got a diaper bag I'm looking at right now that I'm gonna sell. Sorry, I'm being so quiet. Most of everybody is asleep. My man is asleep. My daughter is asleep. London is eating in her little rocker. So yeah, I'm just to go to bed as soon as she gets done. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a idea. Maybe some people haven't thought of that yet, but I do it and I make quite a bit of money. Now, my money train is probably about to run out because I'm running out of things to sell, but a real hustler is gonna find something. So yeah. Oh, another thing, Uber. I started that 2 days ago. All you gotta do is make sure you have a good running car, insurance. I think they check your driving record. They're gonna ask you for a picture of your little tags, make sure they're good, and your driver's license and stuff like that. And you can make some money. Now, do I get up and get out of my bed just to go drive for Uber? No. I only do it when I'm already out, gotta go grocery shopping or something. Click that little online button and somebody be like, come pick me up. Cool, easy money. I made about $25 in 2 days. So, and I've only did like 5 trips, something like that. I don't know, but that's another way. Because, like I said, I'm not making a career out of it. It's just when I'm already out and ain't got nothing else to do. She's such a faker. But anyway, those are my 2 ways for now. I was making candles and selling candles. I'm going to start back to doing that, but as of right now, I'm really just working on selling stuff in this house so I can make more room, because me and baby daddy finna work on our credit so I can get my house next year. So yeah, but if you want ways to make money, those are 2. Try it out. Anyway, I'm gonna burp my child and I'm gonna go to bed. So good night, my lovely people.